Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. And is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.